Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello students, in this video we will discuss about a few numericals based on gravitation. So let us start question number 3. Students, let us start one more numericals, question number 3 on gravitation. The question is that the time period of Jupiter is is 11.6 years. How far is Jupiter? The time period of Jupiter is 11.6 years. So it is a sun about which all the planets are revolving, and the Jupiter is suppose at a distance here. Jupiter, its time period is T Jupiter is 11.6 years. How far is Jupiter from Sun? This distance you have to calculate. Suppose the distance is R1. Distance of Earth from Sun, suppose there is another planet here, Earth. This distance, obviously from the center of the Earth, this distance is R2, and the R2 is given as 1.5 10 to 11 meter. And its time period is known to us. Its time period, that is T Earth, is known to us. That is 1 year. Earth takes 1 year to complete one revolution. Jupiter takes 11.6 years to complete one revolution. So we have to find this distance. This is known, this is known, this is known, and this is unknown. So what is the relation between T and R? The solution to this is that we have from Kepler's law or by Newton's law of gravitation that the square of the time period of any planet is directly proportional to cube of the orbit radius. So from here I will write that Tj, J for Jupiter, square upon T Earth square is radius of the Jupiter, say that I have taken R1, so R1 divided by R2 the whole cube. So if I put the value here, then Tj is 11.6 divided by 1, because Earth here is 1, squaring both sides. This is squaring, and this is R1 that I have to calculate, divided by R2, which is 1.5 10 to 11 cube. So from that I will write that R1 cube is 1.5 10 to 11 cube into 11.6 square. This is what I am getting. Okay, so from here R1 will be, this is 1.5 10 to 11 cube root I will take. This is 11.6 to the power 2 by 3. Okay, if you solve that, then you will get approximately, this is a calculation part, approximately you will get 7.68 into 10 to power 11 meter. This part you can calculate on your own. So this is the answer to this question. So basically the relation is about T and R, that for any planet the time period of rotation and the radius is related with T square proportional to R cube. This is the basic concept of this. This is the answer to this question. Okay, thank you.